5 Best Carpet Extractors Reviews. Number 1. Mighty Light 8070 Carpet Extractor Machine. If your carpets are in a rough shape and you didn't get the chance to clean them for extended periods, a powerful carpet extractor such as this Mighty Light 8070 extractor machine can be just the thing you've been looking for. That said, even the folks who do clean their carpets regularly, they can benefit massively from subjecting them to a thorough carpet extracting operation, so to speak. The thing is, no matter how often you clean your carpets, the chances are, some dirt and grime is going to stay stuck at the root of its hairs. If you leave this situation unaddressed for a while, it's only going to be more difficult to remove these stains later on. With a capacity of 4 gallons, this mighty carpet extractor can help you easily clean your carpets and get rid of a wide variety of pollutants, without having to stop and refill the tank all the time. Number 2. Bissell Spotbot Pet Hands-Free Spot and Stain Cleaner. Coming from a company well known for their excellent cleaning apparatuses, this carpet extractor has the appearance of a futuristic robot, or a motorcycle helmet that someone stuck a bunch of brushes and a water tank to. If you're a pet owner, you may want to learn more about the Bissell's special pet program that donates a fraction of each item you purchase from them to animal shelters. Also, their interest in pets doesn't stop there, because this carpet extractor comes with a special brush and a formula. You can use those to get rid of pet-related messes, even if they're old and have been stuck in your carpet for months. For example, one of the interesting features this Bissell carpet extractor comes with would certainly be the preset cleaning cycles. Number 3. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaning Machine. Not only does this Bissell contraption have a cheeky name, but it also comes with an extra-large brush you can use to tackle a wide variety of messes from your carpet. Thanks to this thing, you will have an easier time scrubbing away all the nasty germs and other pollutants from off your carpets than if you were to use a conventional, smaller brush. Comes with a dual tank system, so you can rest assured you won't be running out of water anytime soon. Combined with this large capacity would also be the powerful formula the folks at Bissell devised for this contraption. So, once you pour some water into the tanks and mix in a little bit of the solution in there, you'll be all set to take care of any carpet messes your pets have blessed you with. Among other features of this carpet extractor, you can count in a special tool for tough stains, a 9-foot hose, as well as a powerful brush. Number 4. Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 Pet Pack Carpet Cleaner. For those of you in need of a powerful and easy-to-use carpet cleaner for pet messes, in particular, this Rug Doctor model represents just the thing you've been looking for. Thanks to its powerful rotating brushes that drive deep into the fibers of the carpet you're cleaning, This model from Rug Doctor can do wonders for a variety of different cleaning tasks. Other than these brushes, the folks at Rug Doctor also included a special formula for this extractor. So you can get rid of strong odors from your carpet for good. Pet urine and the odors that pets tend to leave when they walk on carpets in our house can truly get terrible, especially if you don't clean them up on time. Number 5. Bissell Spot Clean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. Representing a close cousin to the Bissell Spot Clean model we've described as our entry number 2, this professional portable carpet cleaner can be a great solution for a pet owner in need of an easy way to get rid of a wide variety of pet-related messes. Even though the number one surface that this thing was built to clean our carpets, you can use this thing just as well for cleaning a range of other surfaces, such as upholstery, stairs, carpets, and other stuff. To help you do this, the folks at Bissell equipped this model with a special stair tool. Upholstery tool, as well as a professional cleaning formula. As far as the hose is concerned, you can put all of its 5 feet of length to good use when it comes to reaching certain parts of this rug or other surfaces you want to clean that you cannot otherwise get to.